Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have admin or editor access so changes persist. Once that's set, collect your data sources and any API keys or a sample CSV to test formatting. Then open the WaveX Dashboard and navigate directly to Settings Right Arrow Project. Enable the Polish tools here so you can preview. This gets the system ready. Make sure to save preferences now so later steps apply to your live workspace and not just a temp view. Now you configure the Polish options for specific components. Choose charts, tables, labels, and export templates so changes are scoped correctly. Next, adjust formatting. Pick fonts, decimal precision, color palettes, and spacing to improve readability. These affect perception and UX. Once done, map your data fields to dashboard elements, set the correct date/time zones, and define number parsing rules to prevent misinterpretation. These steps ensure can finish by previewing all changes in a staging environment, export to CSV and PDF, and inspect mobile view so nothing is clipped. When satisfied, publish the Polish settings, commit a version so you can roll back, and document what changed for teammates. If something goes wrong, visuals misalign or data is missing, first check your field mappings, then clear browser and WaveX caches and rerun the data sync. This often resolves rendering and parsing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.